everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are doing an Ann Summers Part 2 mystery box. So hi everyone, I hope everyone's doing really well. I have a very exciting video for everyone today. I don't know where to begin. My last Ann Summer box I did last year has over 1,000 views now, and I just thought, oh my god. And plus, as I do like Ann Summer's like products and stuff, I thought it would be great to get another mystery box, as I do love them. I can't remember, I bought this ages ago and I can't remember the exact price, but I think it's around £40–45 I've paid for this, and it was a large box. And the fact that I always like buying bigger boxes anyway, I don't usually like buying small ones. I always feel like the more you buy, the more you get for your money as such. I got this off of Abby again. I did mention her in my first Ann Summers video. I'm not going to go into too much detail as I went into loads on my first one. Basically, she is a Ann Summers rep. She does loads of stuff on Facebook, which I put a link down below, which if you're interested in getting boxes or just good deals in general, then definitely go over to her Facebook. Plus there is loads of games to play as well, so you could do raffles and everything like that. Basically you could potentially win something for a lot cheaper than the price, or you can get discounts, or just to see what is new in the Ann Summers stores. So, this mystery box, I don't have a clue what's in it. Last time you had tiers, so you can have, say, sex toys, sex essentials, and lingerie. And in here, you don't have a clue what it is in here. I did actually have to open this up, unfortunately, so I did see the first thing in here, because I thought it was a Morphe order, so yeah, I got a bit of a shock when it wasn't that. But yeah, so I'm going to start opening it up now. There is a sheet of what everything is worth, so I'm not going to look at that. And straight from the box I can see just loads of stuff. So I'm going to go in with the first one, which is something that I saw but I didn't actually see what it was. So first off, it is some scented beads by Ann Summers. Basically saying this is an adult product. Keep out of reach of children. This is not a toy. This product's not edible. So I guess you just put it out, and it's I don't know if it's self-explanatory. They just put it out and it smells nice. I guess that's why it's in a seal, so it doesn't lose its smell. But yeah, let's see what it smells like. Well, you already got a whiff of that. Yeah. So these smell really good. I didn't mean to do that. It's just there's like a lot coming out of the bag. But yes, so I guess I don't know what these are. I'll probably need to ask Gummies. I guess it's just air fresheners, I don't know. So here's some candy in the shape of penises. I guess this is quite funny. I did see this, and I was thinking, unfortunately I don't like these sweets, so I could still try them, but it is very, very, like, it is a funny gift as well. So this I haven't tried. Well, also I've tried the candy, but and yeah, I don't know what to do with that. I probably will re-gift it or something, because you know they're not my favourite. I really can't read usually. But basically it's some gummies doing it. I have loads of sweets now, but these actually I think I do like. I guess if it tastes like gummy bears, then yeah. So that's what that is. I don't actually know what this is. Okay, so we have a massager, and this is basically what it is in. I'm just gonna open it up so people can see. This is what it looks like. Very fancy packaging. So I guess it is just to be, it says it has 3 speeds and 7 pulse patterns as well, and you can add any sort of lube if you like. But yeah, this is the product. I've never used one of these, but yeah, this is very interesting. Very fancy packaging once again, and I'm gonna have to try and hide that. This is a very big package. So this is I guess I can't read back to forth, but I think it's like shower gels and stuff and perfumes. So yeah, some body lotion, bath and shower gel, and body mist and body oil. Right, I can't use body oil. I had in the last box I had oils, and it's not a good time. Yeah, all of this looks absolutely gorgeous. I actually really want to have a smell at the body mist, to be honest, because the last time I got perfume and that was actually gorgeous. So here's the body mist that I was able to get out, and oh god, oh no, it's broken. Right, let's see if I can repair it. I just squeeze it back on there. Ah, I was able to fix it. Cool. Okay, yeah, that smells really nice actually. It's definitely a smell I don't have in this, but yeah, I really like that. This is what the package looks like. I love purple. Like, I guess it's more pink, I don't know. I say it's like around here's purple. But yeah, I really like the packaging. The smell's really nice, so I guess the rest is gonna smell similar as it is from the same range. But this is really nice. Oh, okay, this is quite funny. I can't put the box anywhere, it's gonna fall. Hang on. The next is sex checks, and I guess you give this to someone if you want a certain deed done. So yeah, oh, okay, so there's loads of stuff. I don't know if I should say some of these. Okay, there's an oily massage with a very happy ending. It was a really funny one, I don't know how to say that. A hot night in with handcuffs, and yeah, there's loads of stuff. I don't know if I can say all of it, but yeah, that's quite funny, and I do like the idea of it. It is really good. So this is the last thing, which I think is actually really cool. It's cool. I'm just gonna take it out now. This is called a date night set, and this is what it looks like. So it has some, you know, I forgot what they're called. Blindfold. Why are they taking me so long? Okay, I don't know what that is, and I think I may know what that is. I hope it's a feather that you just do that with, and not something else, and some rose petals to make it very romantic. So yeah, I like that. I think that's a cute little set. I definitely put the rose petals to use because, well, on my 3rd anniversary with my boyfriend, he did like the whole rose petal thing, and I thought that was really cute. And yeah, I think it's quite romantic. But the other 2 things just make it a little bit more entertaining. So yeah, that is the whole box. I mean, for £45, I definitely got more than what I paid for. Cause probably a kit like this in Ann Summers at normal price is probably like what, 25 quid or something. So yeah, so I got this. So actually see what the feather looks like. So here's the, yeah, that's definitely a feather. So yeah, there is a feather, some rose petals, and here is the blindfold, which took me about ages. Oh, there's something else in here. I forgot to mention it because it was actually in the picture. You also have like some dices. So it says kiss, tickle, massage, and it says lips. It says private. So it says privates here, but then you go into like detail on these checks. What are you doing? But yeah, so there's loads of stuff. So yeah, there's definitely something interesting. That is everything. I just want to quickly show you what's in the box. So to go over it again, we did get the box, and we got the checks as well, which are quite funny. I think I'll put them to use as well because I know I feel of it as I can use it as a joke. There is also these as well, along with the mist, which is very useful. I'll probably put that in my bathroom. We also have the candies, which I probably will be regifting as I don't like these sweets, and got some gummies in very interesting positions, some smellies, and probably the most expensive thing in here, which is the massager. I'm surprised that I actually got a massager because in my last video that she watched I couldn't even open a perfume bottle, so how I'm gonna make that work, I don't know. So yeah, anyway, so that's everything in my box, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry if I rushed through things or anything. I do just love mystery boxes, and especially just everything in general. I'd also like to thank Abby. Remember, check her out. I'll put her Facebook down below. And that is everything, guys. So yeah, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. So bye.